you remind me that there's just one brain between us? That day you found me, hearing voices I was speechless. Wake, wax poetic, till her eyes roll back. Sound the pipers, this is the mountain that I'm dying on. She stays tethered, but her white feather is hell on high.
Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's kind of loud in here today, so I'll probably just do a bunch of stuff and try to film it as best as I can so you can see what I'm doing, and maybe I'll narrate over it, okay? And what I want to do right now is I want to cut the truss rod through the net. Let me show you something. Hold 1 minute. Okay, so now I can run this across the table and this won't hit on the surface. Right? Okay. Now I can run this. It doesn't hit. cut this joint. Okay, so it's a lot quieter now because the machines have turned off. Dust collector's not screaming in my ear, and but we got that machined and we needed to do that. That's good. So as you were watching before, and I'll probably edit it some kind of way to make it look like I knew what I was doing. We've got the truss rod groove cut in now, okay? So that's a good thing because that means now I can cut this joint, the mortise and tenon for the body. The tenon for the neck and the mortise for the body. I'm leaving this square so I can keep it square on the machine. I'm using one of LMI's mortise and tenon machines, one of these, okay? All right, I'm gonna use this until, see how I like it. And so the next step is to get that set up. Hold on, sorry guys. I'm trying to get it together here. I know it's been, hold on one second. Yeah, all right, there's a neck hanging in the way. Let me move that. And this guitar is coming along nicely also. This will probably be put together this week. The Surf Killer, which is looking good. I'm gonna grab that and show it to you, hold on. Okay, so if you've been following along, and I know you have, because why would you watch it if you weren't following along? This is the Surf Killer. Now, if you look up the Beach Boys album cover, all of the Beach Boys, one of the Beach Boys album cover, I'm not sure which one it is, they're all holding a surfboard like this, right? And you can see the colors on the surfboard. That's what this represents. And the wave here, that's what we're shooting for on Alan Winnett's guitar. Okay, and of course we're gonna have the neck on there. There you go. See, now we're looking good. All right. So we're very close to getting this one put together. This is going to be a sweet little ride right here. I'm looking really forward to hearing this because it's got some great Curtis Novak pickups in it. But we still have to put a couple more coats of clear on. So I will do that. I will do that this week. And in the meantime, I have to get this set up. I got to do a little reading about it. We're going to cut this mortise and tenon. That's going to be in the next video. This was just a quick video to show you what we were doing to get the truss rod put in place. Okay, all right, so that's all for today. Very quick video just to say sorry for the big gap in between videos. I went and spent some time hunting, bow hunting with my son and relaxed a little bit, okay? So don't worry, we haven't forgotten anything. Hold on, one more thing. This week, we also finish Lila Celine. Oh yeah, babe. It's coming. It's almost there. All right? So stay tuned. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.